So we're going to draw the base parts for our box. And I'm going to start with a part. And when I do that, I'm going to hit 2D sketch. And you can really begin this on any of the planes. I'm just going to choose today to start it on this plane. I'm going to use the rectangle tool. And I'm going to make this an overall length of 4.25 inches and an overall height of 3.25 inches. And I want the box, the middle of the box, to be right here on the origin point. So what I'm going to do is a couple things. First, I'm going to use the dimension tool. I'm going to go from the origin to this outside edge, and I'm going to click. Now, because I always want this number right here to be half of the larger one, I'm going to click on the larger one. You'll see it puts in D0 there, and I'm going to /2, and that D0 can be any number you want that you have. It doesn't have to be D0. It could be D1 or D10, whatever. That's fine. And that will center up the box going in the x-axis. Now, in the y-axis, I can do the very same thing with a math problem, or I can use a symmetry tool. But one thing I got to do to get in line for the symmetry tool is start the construction line. Click on line. I'm just going to pull a construction line out just like that. And then I'll start my symmetry tool, and I'll come down here and I'll use the bottom one, then the top one, then my line of symmetry. And now, no matter what I change this number to, it will always be symmetrical on both sides of this line. Unfortunately, you can't do the symmetry with both of the values here, but it works for one. Just thought I'd show you that. Okay, next up, after you have the box in at 425 long and 325 tall, then you're going to finish your sketch. I'm going to zoom out, and I'm going to do an extrude. I'm going to extrude this symmetrically, so it goes both to the top and to the bottom. And the symmetrical extrusion is going to be 2 inches thick. So it's going to go an inch to each side. And I'll say OK. So you get caught up here. I'll put this on so you can see the dimensions. Don't forget to extrude it symmetrically, 2 inches. So we can pause now.